In 16-bit only we are discussing about what is the maximum size of character array. What is the maximum size of character array? Tell me. How many bytes? Can I declare 40,000? Can I declare 40,000? Is it valid if it is a
Yes,
character
sir.
array? What is the maximum size? Yeah,
65,535.
by 1, right? Nothing but a 65,535. If it is a float array, what is the maximum size? By 4. Are you following? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now can I declare int of 4.5 elements? I want to declare 4.5 elements. 4.5. Is it valid? We cannot declare 4.5 elements. This is error. Okay, now these are the array declarations. These are the different types of array declaration. Now array initializations we discuss. Array initialization. Write this. Array initializations. Are you writing this right? You are writing right? These are all declarations.
Yes, sir.
Next. Next, array initialization. Array initialization. Right. Next one, 13th one. Now, can I declare like this? Int a of 3 equals to 10, 20, 30. Is it valid? Valid, right? Yeah. Next one, 14th one. Now,
No, sir. Valid.
valid.
Valid, sir.
Valid. How? What is the size we declared?
Three, sir. But it will take the first three values.
No, no, it is not valid. We should not declare more than the size. Okay? Size is 3 elements. We can declare up to 3 elements only. We can't declare more than 3. This is error now. Okay, na? Clear, understood that size is 3. We have to declare only 3 elements. We can't declare more than 3. Now I will show you, see. If I declare 3 elements I want to display. 10, 20 and 30. This is valid. Compile once. This is valid. There is no errors. If I declare 4th element, now it is error. Too many initializers. Why it is showing too many initializers? We have to initialize only 3. We have to initialize only 3. If I initialize more than 3, then it gives error. Clear? Yes, right? Next declaration. Next declaration. 15th one. Can I declare like this? Int a of is it valid? Int a of yes, it's the error. We should not declare without size. Next 16th one, check it. If I declare like this, is it valid or not? Int a of equals to Can I declare 10, 20, 30? Now, is it valid?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is valid. Now, what is size now?
3.
3. Now, size is 3. In array declaration, size is optional. Write here point. In array declaration, size is optional. In array declaration, size is optional. Okay, size is optional. But in array initialization, size is in array declaration, size is mandatory here. Size is mandatory. Without specifying a size, you cannot declare. But here, size is optional. In array initialization, size is optional. In array initialization, size is optional. Okay. Next, 17th one. Yeah, see guys. Can I write like this? Int a of 5 equals to. Now I declare 10. Is it valid?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the other elements now?
It takes some garbage values, I think, sir.
0.
Yes. After that, draw the diagram. See, remaining elements, first element it takes 0. Sorry, first element it takes 10. Remaining rest of all elements it takes 0. This is 0 and not garbage. Not garbage. Remaining values are zeros. Here write 1 point. In array initialization, not garbage values, Kiran. Remaining values it initialize with the zeros. Okay, here write 1 point. In array initialization, when we are not passing sufficient elements to the array, rest of all elements it initialize with zeros. In array initialization, when we are not passing sufficient elements to the array, rest of all elements it initialize with zeros.